Chrissy. Yeah. Wait, what? 10 minutes? Yeah, I've got big plans. The new and improved the microwave. FDA approved from this totally not sketchy website. Do not use blah blah blah, skip the boring part of cooking and get it quick with Mike.
Hello, and thank you for choosing Mike the Microwave Boy. Please select un número, je vous remercie. For English, press 1. Para español, primo número 2. Thank you for selecting English.
Alright, so I don't have much time and you work, so can you make a sandwich?
Error. I have not been programmed to do that. Please use the green card to initiate a command. Would you like some fries?
No, I don't want fries.
Okay, cooking fries.
No, I didn't say that.
Okay.
Cook the sandwich.
Okay.
You know what? Let's also set up the table. Let's put up the silverware. Make sure the silverware is nice and clear and not that darkish type of silver. You know. Let's also make set the plates up. Stick glasses. Glasses are important. Let's also get the tablecloth. Oh, make sure the knife is put on the right side and the fork is put onto the left side. And then make sure that the chairs are pulled out 20 degrees. Hey, Chrissy.
Hey, Dave.
It's been a long time.
Yeah, it's great to see you. I'm sorry I got here a little early. I hope I didn't ruin anything.
Oh, no.
Your house looks great.
Oh, thank you. I live in it.
Oh.
Come on. Mike.
Wow, Dave, this looks great. Did your brother help you set this up?
My brother? Yeah. Yeah, he did. Thank you. Hey, Chrissy.
Yeah?
Why don't we all go do something together? All three of us.
You mean with your brother?
I mean, yeah, you kind of help set this up. I mean, why not? It's gonna be fun.
Okay.
We can get some fries. How about that?
Sure.
Alright, cool, let's go.